Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can change the background image and the image for the lock screen. If you wanted to change the image for the background, simply right click on the desktop, personalize and select background. You can select background image which is available here. I can simply select background from here, so it will change the background automatically. This is the dark theme which can be applied if you like. This is another theme. This is another theme which you can choose and apply. These are the default themes which is given by Windows for the background. There is a separate section to add background image for your lock screen. This image will be applied when you lock the screen. Lock the screen can be done using Windows and the L key. Pressing both Windows and L key will lock your screen. I'll select any one of the image when I lock. So this is okay for the image. And if you wanted to choose your own custom photo, then browse for the photo. There is an option to browse the photo here. Click on browse and select. I'll select my logo. So when you lock the screen, this image will appear.